The coming question has two versions, so please watch the image very carefully as images in both types are different. So please watch the image very carefully. The coming question has two versions, so I want you to watch the last sentence of the question very carefully as there is a difference in both the types. You can see the question. In version 1 of this question, you can see the last sentence, it's only written type in your answer. So if it is given, then your answer is ostrich. Similarly, for version 2, you can see here, you can see the last sentence of this question, there is written type in the Latin name of the genus, which is different from that of previous one. So you can write the answer in small letter or in capital letter, both. So please type this answer. This coming question also has two versions, so please watch the image very carefully as images are different in both the versions. For instance, in version 1 of this question, you can see here the image. If you find this sort of image, then your answer is manta ray. Similarly, for version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of image, you can see here, then your answer is sunfish. S-U-N-F-I-S-H, sunfish. In this coming question, there are two versions or type of this question, and each version differ from each other only in the last sentence of the question. For instance, in version 1 of this question, you can see the last sentence is, can you type its name in below? And if you find this question, then your answer is Southern Cassowary. Similarly, for version 2, you can see here, if you find this sentence, can you enter the name of the order it belongs to below? Then your answer is Cassowary formes. You can see here. The coming question has two versions and each version differ from each other in video. You must have to watch the video full, and at the last of the video you can see the question. So if you must have to please see the video carefully because the answer is different from that. So in version 1 I'll show you here. Now you can see here, it's only written enter the correct answer below. So if you find this, then the answer is mongoose. So please watch the video carefully. Now similarly, for version 2 of this question, you can see here, you can see it is asked, what do you call a group of these animals? And if you find this video, then your answer is pack. The coming question has two versions and each version differ from each other in the video. In the video there is a question, so question differ from each other in different video. For instance, in version 1 of this question, you have to watch the video. And at the last of the video, you can see it is asked, enter the correct answer below. And if you find this video, then the answer is warthog. Similarly, for version 2 of this question, you can see here, now at the last of the video, it is asked which continent is the animal indigenous to. And if you find this question, then your answer is Africa.